Current Jamaica voters' ID cards expire December 31, 2021. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Electoral Office of Jamaica, the EOJ, is reminding the public that the current voter ID cards will no longer be valid after December 31, 2021. Effective January 1st, 2022, only the new voter identification card bearing the Electoral Office Commission logo will be valid. However, the EOJ said that electors who do not receive their new ID card before the end of the year may request a temporary identification card or a provisional identification document in the interim. This document may be requested from the EOJ head office or from the EOJ constituency office where the elector is registered. The EOJ said that it has so far printed 850,000 new voter ID cards. Electors are being urged to collect their new identification card at the specific pickup location. The renewal process will continue into 2022 and electors are required to renew to have a valid identification card. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.